Phonics lesson today. What are closed syllables? Now, first let's ask ourselves, what is a syllable? Remember, it's like the beat of a word. So you can count out the number of syllables in your name. Morrison has 3 syllables. Yoda has 2 syllables. Teddy bear. If you take all of it together, it's 3. So practice counting out how many syllables are in your name. Jonathan, Darius, Kaylin, Joey. I could go through all of your names and count out how many syllables they have, how many beats that it has. Don't be offended if I didn't say your name. I love you all. I just randomly picked. Now, there are open syllables and there are closed syllables. So, closed syllables are ones that end in a consonant, so not a vowel. So, not A, E, I, O, or U, end in a consonant, giving them a short vowel sound. There we go. That's a vowel sound. Okay, so some examples. You can have a word like stuck. That is just one syllable and it's a closed syllable. If you have a word like public, how many syllables is that? Public, that's 2. Pub is a closed syllable. It ends in a B and it has a short vowel sound, and lick is also a closed syllable. It ends in a vowel or in a consonant and has a short vowel sound. The word upset. How many syllables is it? Upset. It's 2. Up is the first one. Is it closed? Yes, it is. It ends in a consonant. It has a short vowel sound, Set. Is it a closed syllable? Well, it ends in a consonant, has a short vowel sound, So, 2 closed syllables in that word. The word magnetic. How many syllables is it? Magnetic is 3. And then if we look at the first syllable, mag. Closed, ends in a consonant, short vowel sound, so yes it is. Net, ends in a consonant, short vowel. Is it closed? Yes it is. Ick, end in a consonant, short vowel sound. Yes it is. So all of the syllables in those words are closed syllables. You'll notice on your sheet, a lot of the words have multiple syllables, so you do want to underline any of the syllables that it has. So a lot of your words will have 2 or more things underlined. Okay? I want to give you an example of what it wouldn't be, because sometimes we need that to just have some contrast. So if I had a word like play, okay? Y can function as a consonant, but listen to the sound. A, that's not a short sound, so that's not a closed syllable. Or another word, if we took the word open, how many syllables? 2. Open. We can look at them separately. So let's look at O. Well, it doesn't end in a consonant. It has a long vowel sound, so that is not closed. That is open. Pen ends in a consonant, has a short vowel sound, so that is a closed syllable, which you are looking for. The next phonics lesson will be on open syllables, so if you're not quite getting it yet, that's okay. But it's just good to keep in mind that if it ends in that consonant, that means it that it makes it have a short vowel sound, which is important when we're trying to figure out how to say new words. Okay? So good luck. Remember, you'll underline it, you'll read it, see how many words you can get in 1 minute, and then you'll read it again, see how many words you can get in 1 minute. Make sure to record that at the bottom. Good luck.